Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Shelling Out. In today's episode we're going to cover what we've done so far with the roof, how we've got it primered and how we've took it back to bare metal. It's been a bit late getting this video out because we lost our cat, who's now walking up the towpath. We lost her for 2 days. Normally she comes back every hour, maybe 2 hours, or she never really goes far. As you can see, she's always in the videos. So yeah, we was proper distraught, and panicking, putting posters up everywhere. But luckily she came back at 1 o'clock in the morning. She was really frightened, and she'd been out in storms and stuff. So we think maybe something chased her off, or she just lost her way. But she come back a little bit thinner and stuff, and she hasn't really left us since then. She's just been constantly needing our attention. So that's why we're a bit late with this film. But I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please like and subscribe, because it really helps to get us some traction on the channel. And if you want to know anything, hit the comments, man, because yeah, we like to hear whether you're enjoying it and not, or if you hate our videos. Either way. But hope you enjoy this episode, and I shall see you soon. These are probably the best discs so far that we've found. They're a semi-flexible disc and they're about £2.70 each, and I think they come out at about 24 grit. They're used for grinding down porcelain, stone and ceramic. They're really affordable, to be fair, and they last for ages. We haven't even got through one yet, although it does take more time. We're not making any imprints or anything on the steel. So we find that these are the best, and then we just go over with a wire brush afterwards just to get any rust off. The only other thing, if you've got access to a scabula, obviously that's the best thing to use. We're finding it really hard to get one from any hire shops around by us, so this is what we're having to resort to. The only other thing which is a problem for us is, as we're doing the boat there, which is literally just over there, look at the state of this, man. We waxed and polished all this boat the other day and it's absolutely filthy, just covered in dust. This is the only trouble when you haven't got access to a dry dock and time to book into a dry dock, and you're doing it on the side of the canal. It's a bit of a nightmare. So I've just gone over the roof with the tack cloths now, just to get any grit and dust out of the pits and stuff that are there, and make it a clean finish. And then we're going to panel wipe it all down to make sure no grease and stuff off our hands will contaminate the surface and make the paint lift. And then we're going to get some primer on. Makes a massive difference when you tack cloth it down and panel wipe it, man. You don't get no bits in it like when you put it on. not fussed about how this primer goes on, to be fair, as long as we can get it built up. It's going to be anti-slipped anyway. So all the primer does is stop the rust from, like, stop the elements touching the steel and stops rust, like, basically. And red oxide has got like a rust inhibitor in it. Now the reason I haven't took these off, because people will be saying that I'm doing a bodge because I haven't took them off yet, is because this is only the first coat. Literally, I just want to seal the roof, seal the steel. So for the second coat, these will be coming off, and the surface underneath will be getting grinded and prepped. It's going to be all anti-slip, U-pole wrap to the roof is. So that's why I'm not too fussed about them being on at the moment. As long as we get 3 coats of primer on, and then we put the U-pole on, we'll be good to go. Yeah, and then put some in, load it back up and put some in the middle. Oh, there, yeah. Yeah, and then like a W then, in between them 2 lines. Yeah, then it's even. Then load up with roller again. You'll be helping me do the brush, the roof. Actually, you won't do the U-pole, but you can lay off.
Then what?
Then I'd start on that hand